Coffee breath and rubber boots, dark lights fading, sky still blue-gray. Thermos clangs against the rail, somebody laughs just to stay away. Diesel coughs, rope slips free, cold bites hard through wool and skin. Hearts already out past shore, hands still learning how to begin. We are the first line on the water, chasing the dark from the waves, leaving the town still sleeping behind us, trusting the pull and sway. We'll bring the morning home on our shoulders, salt in our hair, in our veins. Fishing boat, leaving in the early morning, riding the rise of the day. Buoys like buttons on a coat, marking where last week's luck ran thin. Gulls draw circles overhead, waiting on whatever comes in. Clouds turn peach along the edge, sun peeks over like a slow grin. Eyes go quiet for a breath.